First thing to say is that we don't think that the election is going to have an impact or a material impact on the RBI's decision, certainly not for this round. As Sri mentioned, the big thing really is the inflation outlook. So core inflation has been moderating, but the real worry is supply-side factors, including the higher price of oil and the volatile food price environment. So we don't yet know what the impact of the current heat wave, which Sri can probably attest to being there, will have on kind of crop cultivation and harvests. And we don't yet know whether we'll have a normal monsoon season.
Yeah, that's a really India unique factor around the central bank policy as well. But just going back to the election, obviously the worry is, or the market's thinking, at least on Tuesday, was that this is going to somehow derail or dilute the Modi government's market-friendly policy. So what's your take?
Yeah, so certainly reform that needs to go through the parliamentary channel, and that's an important nuance, but things like reform to labour, reform to land acquisition, and reform to agriculture. Obviously, we had the farmers' protests last year. Those kind of things are very contentious, and markets have been hoping with a whopping majority Modi would be able to force these things through. Obviously, now he's got a minority within his own coalition and has to rely on coalition partners. That means these kind of contentious reforms that need to be negotiated with state governments as well, they're going to be a lot more tricky.